Franny, little distracto. You little distracto. Come on, sweetheart, bath time. Oh. 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 It's a clock. It's a... Francis Lynn, come and have your bath. What are you doing? This psycho. Come on, bub. Franny, come have your bath. Come on. Tell me about it, Rosie. I'd love to go to bed right now. Oh, you're reading a book. Oh, that's good reading for a 1.5-year-old. Oh my goodness. Go on. Franny, give that back. Give it back. No, give it back to me. Give it back. What did you put in your mouth? Oh. Did you spit it out? You did spit it out. Good girl. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What are you going to get now? Oh, your yogurt. No, you finish your yogurt. Say bye-bye.